Miss Congeniality. I finally got my first passport and a cult of personality. I can show you how to whack a puck. I can show you how to sack librarians. I can shoot guns from a pickup truck at Arctic wolves and vegetarians. I can put lipstick on a pit bull. I can put lipstick on a hog. I can trot out my daughter Bristol, but don't mention her on your liberal blog. Yay, Jews for Jesus and Pentecostals. I can body check a hockey ref. Remember, boys, when you're feeling hostile, I'm a total VPILF. I can take your mind off of Troopergate, cause I'm super great. And you can build a bridge from Ketchikan to Ketchikan. You bet you can. Lucky me, I stole the buzz from HRC. I just got off my ATV and now I rule the RNC. I'm straight, vanilla, your flavor du jour. I'm Miss Wasilla, 1984. I'm machine gun the myth of evolution with Amendment 2 of the Constitution. The Arctic refuge requires pollution. No man is an island, but I'm illusion. I own the sea, just like Poseidon. If you eat salmon, my lead will widen. If anyone out here still deciding, remember I'm hotter than what's his name, Biden. I can skin the moose with the table knife. But I'm a stable wife. And I can make a world with no Democrats, no whiny brats, no commie rats. And I can get her done, cause I'm anti-noise, I'm anti-boys, I'm anti-toys, I'm anti-voice, I'm anti-choice, I'm anti-choice! I can lead a state with no residents, no residents, no residents. I can lead a state with no residents when John